Gargamoney is the title of a book about Gargamuni. And you may say, well, that's funny, they got the title wrong. No, it's not wrong, it's right. That title is given because Srila Prabhupada jokingly, affectionately called Gargamuni, one of his very first disciples, Gargamoney, because Gargamuni Prabhu was expert at collecting and spending money in Krishna's service. And this is his story spoken in the first person and expertly recast or edited by Purna Pragya Prabhu. It's amazing. Srila Prabhupada is amazing. And those who surrender to him, they, by his grace, were able to do amazing things. And there's so many stories of devotees who did amazing things in Srila Prabhupada's service, being empowered by him. Gargamuni is not such a well-known devotee. He was the younger brother in comparison to his elder brother, Brahmananda, very well known, but Gargamuni was doing all kinds of amazing things. Bringing money was very, very important, and meeting all big people, getting books distributed, going to Pakistan to preach in the war situation, bringing vehicles overland from Europe to India for preaching. It's an adventure story, transcendental adventure story. Highly recommended to read it. You'll get new insights on Srila Prabhupada and his mission and his devotees and how he picked Gargamuni, a young boy with no experience in the world. Srila Prabhupada picked him up and made him into an equivalent of an international businessman and big figure in Srila Prabhupada's movement at the time. Here's the book. You can read it. I'm just giving a little appetizer. Hare Krishna.